Welcome to my website. Please feel free to browse around and gain access to timely breaking news and in-depth analysis of politics, economics, and of course, entertainment. You can also find the latest on my movie projects.
Fuck you.
I have more than 30 years experience in journalism, having worked here in the United States and in Africa for organizations like Voice of America and Reuters, amongst others. Follow me on X at Alligator Pictures and YouTube Alligator Pictures and Facebook Alligator Pictures.